Our company, Plataine, actually develops software for manufacturing optimization. We harness AI algorithm and technologies and provide solutions for manufacturing. Basically, we can schedule production plans. We can help with material management, especially the carbon fiber that is time sensitive. And basically, we're optimizing manufacturing floors. The latest technologies we're working on is especially AI algorithms that could be harnessed into improvements of the supply chain and manufacturing processes. How AI can help schedule the operations, how can you use better the material, reduce waste, and it also corresponds with the pressure for higher sustainability, saving material and power, and making a more efficient manufacturing processes. Basically, our ambition is to change manufacturing, how suppliers and manufacturers are collaborating with digital thread. We're seeing a lot of paper that needs to be replaced with cloud solutions that are clever and provide a continuous optimal digital process, remove all the paperwork and making the workers much more efficient and with their operation. This is specifically important for recycling, making sure that all the parts has their digital passport describing, from the raw material into the kits and end products. This entire digital thread is extremely important in order to basically recycle parts, recycle material, and making sure to improve sustainability. JEC is a great event where all the manufacturers, material manufacturers, machine builders are coming together as an industry and exchanging ideas, understanding where the industry is going to, what are the new trends, how can we make manufacturing more sustainable, more efficient, and basically help companies of all size to grow and basically fulfill the great demand for products, whether this is aerospace, automotive, and other industries. And we're very happy to take part in this great event. This is really exciting because we see composite everywhere. It's taking a very substantial part within our life and within the industry. And basically, it is our goal to bring innovation and AI into composite manufacturing and to take it to the future.